Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to recover your deleted Telegram messages, whether you're using Android, iPhone, or even your PC. So let's just get started, and we've got a few methods that might help you get them back. So what we can do is we can start by opening up Telegram, and what you need to understand is that Telegram is a cloud based application, meaning that your chats are stored on Telegram servers, not on your phone. So even if you clear the chat manually or use the delete for everyone option, recovery depends on whether the Telegram's cache or notification still have your messages. So what we can do is we can look out for our file manager. You can close this up, go to your file manager application. After you go over there, you can go to the internal storage and tap on it. And within here, look out for Android option. And Android, look out for data. And within data, look out for org.telegram.messenger cache. You can look out for the Telegram Messenger cache here. Even you can scroll down and find the option for Telegram and look out for the cache file over here. And once you find it up, you can just go and copy and move them to a folder so that they are not deleted when you clear cache next time. Apart from that, what we can do is we can look out for our notification history. Go to settings for that. And once you open up your settings, you can scroll down, find the option for notifications. After you go to notifications, scroll down and find the option for advanced settings. And once you find it up, look out for the option of notification history and tap on it. After you tap on notification history, you need to look out for the option of Telegram. If it was on, you can look out for the Telegram's old notification. You might see message previews there, and that is it. And apart from that, you can turn on cloud backup for Telegram itself or chat export. You can even look out for the saved messages sometimes. You can look out for those options of saved messages here. And once you find that option, you can just go over and find it up and open it up and look out for the option and find it up. So that is it, everyone. That's how you can recover your deleted Telegram messages. If any of these methods work for you, let us know in the comments below. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials every